1 tablespoon. Oh my goodness. I got the nutmeg and the cinnamon mixed up. Oh, good grief. Okay, take 2. Alright, take 2. Here we go. Alright, you'll need 1/4 cup of cinnamon. Hey y'all, it's Miss Katie. Welcome to Heritage Ways. This week is Pumpkin Spice Week here at Heritage Ways, and we are going to be sharing some pumpkin spice goodness with you this week. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pie spice. The recipe comes from my cookbook. It's from Katie's Kitchen, Volume 1. And to order, you can see the link down below to order my cookbook. There are hundreds and hundreds of recipes in here, and there's stories, heritage stories about the recipes. But I have pumpkin pie spice mix in my cookbook, and I have on here that you can use it to add to pumpkin pie anytime you see a recipe and it calls for the pumpkin pie spice mix. Like if you buy just pumpkin, not the pie mix in the can, but just plain pumpkin where you add the spices and the evaporated milk and the eggs. You need this spice blend for that recipe, but also for my pumpkin chocolate chip bread, which I do not share that anywhere publicly. You have to buy the cookbook. There are 3 recipes in my cookbook that I do not share, actually 4 that I do not share. They're secrets, and you have to get the cookbook. And the pumpkin chocolate chip bread, which is actually a blue ribbon prize winner over, well, 3 times. That is in the cookbook. Also, you can use this spice mix for French toast, pancakes, my recipe for fall favorite pumpkin dip, any autumn beverages, muffins. I shake some in my coffee, so you can make creamer with it. Let's get started. How to make pumpkin pie spice blend. 1/4 cup of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger. Now I'm not leveling this off. If you want to level it off, you can do that. It's your kitchen. Adjust however you need to or want to. I have a friend who's allergic to cinnamon, so she can't use that. So you might want to, you know, just make adjustments. I have another friend who doesn't like ground cloves, so just make adjustments. All right, 1 tablespoon of ground nutmeg. Oh, I love the smell of that nutmeg. 1 tablespoon of ground cloves. And 1 tablespoon of ground allspice. Friends, is your pumpkin pie spice blend. So you just mix all that up together and put it in a jar, label it, and you are ready to go. This will keep for quite a while. You can give it as gifts, little packages, even into, you know, Christmas and other holidays. So very delicious. Pumpkin pie spice blend. All you need now is your pumpkin. Bake your pumpkins or buy your canned pumpkin and you're ready to go. I hope you'll join us tomorrow as we're going to start tasting all the pumpkin spice things. Y'all have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.